Do you wish to know how your business can overcome challenges and grow? Welcome to the Inside Consulting podcast for entrepreneurs and business owners, powered by Cognitive. Whether you have retail chain, a startup, or a family-owned business, we offer practical solution to everyday business problem and advice on the way forward. Whether a small startup, a large-scale D2C brand, education institute, or fintech, we guide businesses through organizational and digital challenges to help them scale. Hi, I am Utkarsh. So today we have Miss Pravleen with us. तो प्रवीण, आज का हमारा मेन टॉपिक क्या है?
So, Utkarsh, let's start with digital transformation.
Okay.
A common buzzword. What does it really mean? In simple terms, it is all about using digital tools to make your business run better, like automating tasks, using data to make smarter decisions, improving customer experience through digital technology. And that's all called digital transformation.
यार तो प्रवीण, एक मेरा बेसिक क्वेश्चन था
Hmm.
यार, when do company need digital transformation?
So, Utkarsh, when growth slows down, sales are flat, processes are slow, or customer services is lagging, digital tools can help. Small or big companies, all kind of companies face these type of challenges. So no, digital transformation is not just for big businesses. In fact, small business can benefit even more if they can start earlier.
Great. So Pravleen, digital transformation helps small businesses scale. Sometimes core focus areas can be clearly defined.
Yes.
अगर इसमें डीप में बात करें हम, तो firstly customer experience. This means implementing CRM system for centralized customer data and using AI chatbots to provide personalized support even almost 24/7. If we add secondly, like operational efficiency, in this automating repetitive manual tasks like invoicing, payroll, and inventory,
Yes.
tracking through workflow, automating and RPA reduces error and saves time.
And Utkarsh, cloud adoption is also a part of that. Moving from local hardwares to cloud platforms such as AWS or Microsoft enables remote work, improve flexibility, and reduce maintenance cost. And finally, agentic AI enable operations like run workflows, take actions across multiple tools, and they execute tasks end to end with minimal and human input while operating under clear guardrails.
But there is a question: how to start?
So, Utkarsh, here external consulting can help. They bring fresh ideas and expertise to access current systems and spot gaps and create a custom transformation plan with the right guidance. Business can start using digital tools in a way that truly matters sense for their operations.
Okay, Pravleen, impact of digital transformation is measurable. It can drive 25 to 40% revenue growth, reduce operating expenses by 30 to 50%, and enable 20 to 35% faster go-to-market. Organizations also see 50 to 25% higher productivity, 10 to 20% cost saving, and 2 to 3 times return on investment within almost 24 months. So thank you so much, Pravleen. So in the next episode, we will dive into supply chain efficiency through digital transformation. So stay tuned.